This event's success is also the result of the hard work put in by all our faculty and staff, along with the students of the Program Coordination Committee and the PR Media Committee. A special mention of our compares for today, Mr. Ayushman Chopra and Ms. Aparajita Prabhu, for wonderfully anchoring the events. Last but most important, a special thanks to the students from Symbiosis Law School, Pune, from the sister institutions, and also from some of the other colleges from the city. Your presence here adds value to the event, and a big thank you to each one of you. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. We request everyone to stand up in honor of the national anthem. We request everyone to remain seated as the dignitaries leave the dais.
The permission from Dr. Majumdar and others, I only want to mention that we, at the instance of Dr. Cyrus Poonawalla, are going to undertake our action kind of blueprint about preventing rapes and also helping rape victims. And Symbiosis Law School, as usual, has volunteered to help us on the legal side of it, how to fight out the cases of all rape victims and get them